Welcome back to Mindset Monday. Today we're going to talk about turning back the clock, literally. Most people think aging is a one-way street. We get older, slower, sicker, and that's just how it goes, right? Well, that's what I used to think too, until I proved my own body wrong. At 60 years old, my biological age came back at 48.6. That means on a cellular level, I'm living in my 40s. And this isn't magic, it's mindset in motion. Then something clicked. As a physical therapist, I would treat somebody in their 40s with a bilateral amputation because their diabetes was so bad, and a list of medications you couldn't believe. And in the next hour, I would have an 88-year-old woman who wore her hip out walking, who doesn't take any medication at all. That's when I realized the real enemy wasn't age, it was how I was living. I stopped treating my body like a victim of time and started treating it like a partner in repair. Now, I added low carb, whole foods, protein, movement, sunlight, sleep, peace. And I stopped saying, well, this is just what happens after the age of 40. That simple shift in belief changed every choice that followed, and those choices rewrote my biology. In full disclosure, in my mid-40s, I had a lap band, and that did help me lose 60 pounds. Now, fast forward, at 54, my old labs still showed inflammation. The AI model put my biology roughly at my chronological age, maybe even a year older. But at 60, the results told a very different story. Now that I've been on keto for 6 years and carnivore for 5 months, my DNA now reads at 48.6. That's more than a decade of cellular rejuvenation, not because I found the fountain of youth, because I finally started living in alignment with my biology instead of fighting against it. We all have two ages, the one on the calendar and the one our lifestyle writes into our DNA. The second one listens every day to what we eat, how we move, how we think, and how we rest. You can't stop time, but you can stop living like it's too late. Your cells are still listening. They're waiting for you to give them a new story. If you need proof that it's never too late to start, this is it. You can't change your birthday, but you can change your biology. And if you'd like to see where you stand, I've linked a few tools below in the description where you can calculate your own biological age using simple everyday lab results. It is a great way to get a snapshot of how your body's really doing inside. I'm Dr. Rose Petrilla, and this week I want you to show your body what younger feels like. I'll see you tomorrow in the next video.